What's good, chumps? Welcome back to another video. We got happy tree friends as you wish. Shout out to whoever recommended this video. Keep recommending more videos. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get it. Yo, I don't think I've done a reaction where Lumpy wasn't in the episode. Like, Lumpy been in every single reaction, bro. Like, it don't even gotta be starred. Like, he don't even gotta be the main focus, but he gonna be in that shit. They gonna make sure of that. They really love him, bro. Nigga Lumpy is funny though. Like, he genuinely be making me laugh. He the only one in the whole show that be making me laugh. So I see why they fuck with him. Y'all two niggas are dumb as shit, bro. Damn, that shit. Damn. Yo, how my son English fake getting better, bro. I could fake understand what he said just now. A little bit. Still sound crazy though. Out of all the shit you could have wished for, bro. Out of all the shit you could have wished for, bro, you gonna wish for a fucking lollipop. And he loving that shit too. He loving that shit. See, a nigga like me, bro, if I get one wish, I'm gonna wish for like forever, like to be happy forever, bro. To just be genuinely happy, because at the end of the day, bro, if you're happy in life, nothing could go wrong. Money can't buy happiness. See, if I had like 3 wishes, 2 wishes, 3 wishes, I wish for happiness forever, then the money, and then I don't know what like some super speed or some shit, but that would be OD. Like, you gotta wish for the happiness first before you wish for the money, bro. Because you could be the richest person in the world and be like depressed and shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I hate this nigga too, yo. He might be top 3. I hate him. Yeah, your English not getting no better, my nigga. Nigga still sound crazy. And that's the shit you gonna wish for. You just did a fucking split too? I've seen it all. That was crazy. Oh shit. What the fuck? Like, whoa. Why the fuck he start screaming like that though? That was mad crazy. Hold on. Listen to this shit, y'all. Damn! Ah, that shit fake giving me goosebumps. Damn! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my gosh, bro! That shit left a fucking dent in his back. That shit made the fucking screen shake, bro. I know that nigga he's dead. He's dead. And for what? He wished for some stupid shit. What the fuck is you crying for? What the fuck? The car not even broken. The fuck, nigga ran over a fucking lamp. Oh, nah. Oh, shit. Nigga always sabotaging his son, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, I thought he was dead. Oh, nah. I thought that nigga was dead. Oh, shit. Yo, the pops be sabotaging this little nigga, bro. Oh shit. What the fuck? Ew, bro. You're fucking dead. I wonder what this ugly ass nigga about to wish for. Alright, that might not be dumb. Rocket ship might not be dumb. Oh my fuck. Holy shit. They just fucking swiped that. Nah! Why y'all did that to my mans, bro? That's not even cool, bro. I actually feel bad, bro. They just swiped that shit from my son, bro. They ain't even have to do that, nigga. Just wait your turn, nigga. Get in line. Nigga, we all could use that shit. Y'all about to, now my son about to die. Oh, it's fucking over. Oh, no. Rest in peace to my son. Hey, yeah, it's over. Oh, fuck no. Oh, fuck no. Oh, my gosh. Rest in peace to that nigga, boy. Oh, shit. Sniffles, what the fuck? Yo. Yo, they didn't got, yo. Damn, bro. Oh, that nigga moving. The dad just got violated. I'm not gonna lie. That nigga got impaled by the fucking rocket. Damn, like the rocket is fake taking niggas out right now. I ain't gonna lie. Just like the disco ball. Oh my. What the fuck? Yo. 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 That shit just popped that nigga, bro. Not even like stabbed him. Nigga just fucking popped. What the? Oh yeah, y'all two niggas about to die too. Y'all niggas is next. This is what y'all deserve. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, nigga. Niggas thought they was making it across? No. Nigga, you better wish for a fucking cushion. Boy. Boy. Yeah, nah. Shit too heavy, buddy. I already know what's about to happen. Y'all niggas is dead. Y'all get all that money, but at what cost, nigga? Because your life is over. Your life is fucking over. At what fucking cost? Oh my gosh! No! It's too many bodies, bro. It's too many bodies, guys. Oh shit, my fault. It's too many bodies. Yeah, nah, facts. Be careful what you wish for. My son Lumpy just he just found a girl though. That's wavy. But everybody else is dead. That's fucking insane. But they was wishing for dumb shit, so I will fucking understand. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you work hard, believe in yourself, and you trust God. Grow.